Hi, my name is Danielle Hargrove, and I am the owner of Green Mates of Detroit, located in Detroit, Michigan. I am a green cleaning pro. I got started as a pro a little bit over 7 years ago in the janitorial industry. I have actually a background in customer service and in the restaurant industry before I got into janitorial. We were using a lot of chemicals when it came to like cleaning the restaurants. So I started researching on how to pretty much look for non-toxic cleaning products. And then I've always been a cleaner, even at home. I always love to clean, but kind of incorporated the green cleaning along with just having a passion for cleaning. So, and then I tied that into with my customer service, and that's how I started the green cleaning. So I've been cleaning, like I said, for about 7 to 8 years. And so yeah, I love cleaning. I'm a big green advocate, and I just want to be able to spread the word and able to be able to help people, get more green cleaning. We actually work with all types of clients, more family-oriented clients, people that work, that have kids and pets. A lot of times they choose us is because of the green alternatives that we use. Everybody wants, green cleaning these days. It's not only good for them, but their kids and their pets. So a lot of our working class, they definitely are our biggest client. Oh, well, business-wise, my day typically starts at like 6 a.m. I get up, check my emails, and I check the schedule, make sure that the staff's in place because we are 8:30 to 5:30 operation. So I pretty much have to make sure that everything is in place. I'm not only the owner, I'm the manager. I manage the company as well. So I make sure that the staff is in place. I make sure that all the clients, get their text reminders and everything through PocketSuite. And generally we just go from there. We clean about 7 to 8 homes a day, and sometimes commercials, we incorporate that as well. So. The value that we deliver to clients, I will say, is our customer service. A lot of our clients, we have very personable relationships with them. We know when their birthdays are or when their anniversary is, when their dog is sick and things like that. They love us because we're not only good cleaners and we're green advocates, we're very personal and professional cleaners as well. So we're always on their Christmas list, like seriously. What I love most is I love the fact that I'm providing jobs. I've been, like I said, in the restaurant and customer service industry for a while, and I really enjoy employing people and keeping them employed, giving them benefits, and also allowing them to become more knowledgeable in green cleaning. So. My greatest hope and aspiration for my clients would be I love to alleviate their stress. The fact that they come home from a long day when they're with the kids or family or whatever, and their home is just filled with organic, like lemongrass is one of our favorite #1 smells. And they give us a call and tell us how great we've done and how much of a stress reliever we are. That's the best part of it is making our clients happy.